Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change yellow leaves to green leaves in Photoshop. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I would like to open Photoshop application, so I just want to change yellow leaf into green. So this is my images. It has given yellow, so I just want to change this one into green with a single step I can change. So if you love the Photoshop software, means kindly give a comments in your concern so that I can start Photoshop tutorial into my channel. So I may come on live and I will give you basic tutorial for the Photoshop. Yes, so now I just want to share about this field to change into green color. What I have to do here, so how to change the entire field into green color. So just open the Photoshop software. So this is a Photoshop software, so this is a layer. Once I open means the image will be open here. If it is not open means this is a Photoshop entrance screen. You just click here to open and choose the image, whatever image you want. You can choose and select the images. For example, I just select this image and click open means automatically that image will be open here. Now I would like to change this yellow field into green field. What I have to do here, so this is your layer palette. So in your layer palette you will have your entire layer, whatever the designs will be there, everything will be there in your layer option. So in your downside you can create your new layer, and here there will be a new layer fill options will be there, adjustment layer. Just click the adjustment layer and you will get an option called different types of option will be available. So just choose channel mixer. Once you choose a channel mixer, the channel mixer will be open here. You have red, green and blue. So red will be in a plus 100% and just change green into minus 100% and the blue into 100% plus. So once you change means automatically your field will be changed like a yellow to green option. So now the time to change the sky option. What I have to do here, so my field is ready. So this is the before and this is the after. So now I just want to change this channel mixer into both color should be placed over there. What I have to do here, so in your layer palette you will have your normal. Just select here for the darken. Once you select the darken option, automatically your sky will be changed like a blue and your field like a green. So this is a previous and this is what we changed into that. So similarly you can change whatever you want. For example, I just want to change another photograph. So this is another photograph which I have. So I just choose this photograph. So this is my photograph. So I just want to change this field into green color. Similarly, go to channel mixer and give the code, whatever code I have given, minus 100 and plus 100 for blue. Automatically my field will be in a green color. So now I just want to change this one into darken mode. Automatically my entire screen will be changed into green field. So this is a simple and easy trick to change your image into greeny so that it will be look beautiful, and using your Photoshop you can do whatever you want. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and do comment if you love Photoshop tutorial. We can continue Photoshop tutorial every Thursday and I'll be available in a live. I can give you beginning training of Photoshop. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.